Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say à tout à l'heure, or how to say see you later, but in French. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure is French for see you later, and this literally means, well, see you in an hour or in a few hours, or in that hour is actually what it means. See you in that hour is what it means. Anyhow, I'm not entirely sure why it's spelled that way, or why it is set up that way, but that's what it means. À tout à l'heure is how to say it. Anyways, more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French vocabulary, French names too, that many mispronounce. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.